Check out our newest update. You guys are going to love this flexibility. Now we have custom reply to addresses for email campaigns. This feature enables businesses to specify custom reply to addresses for email campaigns, allowing for better organization and management of replies. Let's talk about those benefits. First, this is going to improve your flexibility. Businesses can now set custom reply to addresses for every email campaign. This is also going to enhance your organization. Directing replies to designated teams is going to streamline your communication process. It's also going to provide a better user experience for your business. Now you can maintain professional communication practices and improve client interactions. Let's talk about that practical use. Now, let's just say your business wants to streamline customer inquiries by directing sales-related email replies to the sales team and support-related inquiries to the customer support team. Now, by using the custom reply to address feature, the store or the business can efficiently manage customer communications, resulting in faster response times and improved customer satisfaction. Who doesn't love that? Let me show you exactly where to access this. So first, I'm going to have you access an existing campaign. So you're going to go to Marketing, Emails, Campaigns, and then go ahead and click on an existing campaign you have. When you open that up, we're going to go ahead and click on the Send or Schedule button in the upper right-hand corner. From there, we're going to set that custom reply to address. And you're going to do that in the new area that you're going to toggle on, and then you're simply going to set that address. From there, you're going to input the reply email address, and you're going to indicate which reply to address takes priority. Priority number 1, or there's also going to be secondary priorities. Go ahead and in your settings, you're going to be able to set that priority. Go to Settings in the lower left-hand menu, and now you're going to access your reply address. This is under Email Services, Reply, and Forward Settings, and your reply to address. This feature is going to empower your business to tailor communication channels to specify those specific purposes, thereby enhancing efficiency and improving your clients and your business's overall experience. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.